Before the revolution was fought with muskets, it was shaped in pulpits. Different churches, different doctrines, yet a shared faith helped unite the colonies and shape the moral case for liberty. Did Christianity help ignite America's fight for independence? Let's uncover the story. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting history within the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. In colonial America, Christianity shaped daily life, governing morals, laws, family roles, and the rhythm of each week. Churches weren't just spiritual centers, they enforced social order, public behavior, and community discipline, while preaching hope, peace, love, and joy. In the 1730s and 1740s, the Great Awakening swept the colonies, challenging authority and tradition. Preachers like George Whitefield and Jonathan Edwards taught that salvation came through personal faith, not obedience to elites or institutions. Some of these sermons planted radical ideas, that all souls were equal before God, and no king ruled by divine right alone. Patriot ministers preached resistance from pulpits, framing liberty as a God-given right worth defending. Biblical language shaped revolutionary thinking, tyranny, covenant, sacrifice, turning political protest into moral cause. Christian faith didn't cause the revolution, but it gave it conscience, courage, and a belief that freedom was God's will.